Hello friends, now we see the problem number 5, which is also based on factorization method of chapter limits. The problem number 5 is limit x tends to 1, x raised 4 minus 3x square plus 2 totally divided by x cube minus 5x square plus 3x plus 1. Solution. First of all, we denote given problem as a L. So limit L is equal to limit x tends to 1 x raised 4 minus 3x square plus 2 in the numerator upon x cube minus 5x square plus 3x plus 1 in the denominator. Now here the numerator contains fourth power term and the denominator contains cubic expression, that is third power. So here both numerator and denominator can be factorized by using synthetic division method. So first of all we consider a numerator. So consider x raised 4 minus 3x square plus 2. First we write the coefficient of x raised 4, that is 1. Here the term x cube absent, so we write 0. Coefficient of x square is minus 3. Next the term x is absent, so we write 0. And finally the constant term is a 2. Here the limit given as a x tends to 1. So we start dividing with x equal to 1. The first term 1 we write as it is. Then 1 multiplied by 1 we get 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Again 1 multiplied by 1 we get 1. Minus 3 plus 1 we get minus 2. Then 1 into minus 2, that is minus 2. 0 minus 2 gives us minus 2. Finally 1 into minus 2, again we get minus 2. Now 2 minus 2, that gives 0 as a remainder. Therefore the term that x raised 4 minus 3x square plus 2 can be written as x minus 1 as a first factor, then x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 2 as a second factor. Now we consider the term which is present in the denominator. X cube minus 5x square plus 3x plus 1. By using synthetic division technique, first we write coefficients. For x cube we write coefficient 1, for x square minus 5, for x coefficient 3, and finally the constant term 1. We start division from 1. So first we write 1 as it is, then 1 multiplied by 1 we get 1. Minus 5 plus 1 gives us minus 4. Now 1 into minus 4 is minus 4. Now 3 minus 4 gives us minus 1. 1 into minus 1 we get minus 1, and 1 minus 1 we get 0 as a remainder. So in this way that x cube minus 5x square plus 3x plus 1 can be factorized as x minus 1 as a first factor and then x square minus 4x minus 1 as a second factor. Therefore, the next step will be L is equal to limit x tends to 1. For numerator, we write the factor that x minus 1, x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 2 in the numerator. And in the denominator, we write x minus 1, x square minus 4x minus 1. Now here we cancel x minus 1 from numerator and denominator, stating the reason that since x tends to 1, it means x not equal to 1. It means x minus 1 not equal to 0. It means we can cancel x minus 1 the term from numerator and denominator. So the next step will be limit x tends to 1. We have x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 2 upon x square minus 4x minus 1. Now here for x we substitute limit as a 1. So the next step will be 1 the whole cube plus 1 the whole square minus 2 into 1 minus 2 in the numerator, and then 1 the whole square minus 4 into 1 minus 1 in the denominator. So on simplifying further, 1 cube is equal to 1 plus 1 square means 1 minus 2 into 1 2 and finally minus 2 in the numerator, and in the denominator we have 1 minus 4 into 1 4 minus 1. So here 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 2 0, 0 minus 2, so we get minus 2. Similarly in the denominator we cancel here plus 1 minus 1, so left with minus 4 only. Now we cancel minus minus from numerator and denominator and then go for cancellation, that 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So in this way we get 1 by 2 as a answer. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.